Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro with your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now open the charging case, and if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically. Also, it will enter prank mode automatically after a factory reset. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light starts blinking. There we go. And now we should see it at the device list. Right here we have it. Now just tap on it and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.